In this video, I'm going to show you how you can create a bingeable video card list like this. Hi everyone, it's Kevin from Solopreneur, and I wanted to show you how you can create a bingeable card list with this little secret YouTube hack. Now I call it a secret because I've seen this on so many of the top YouTubers' channels and I couldn't figure out how to do it myself. And so I'll walk you through how it works and why it's a little bit of a trick. So now when we're in our Creator Studio, we just need to go into editing a video. Let's do this one. And then of course you need to go to cards. Now, the options YouTube gives you are quite simple. So you'll see here right now in this video, we can go here and I will have the ability to add a playlist. So you would think that the way you add multiple cards is to add a playlist, but that's not that great because all it shows is the playlist and it's not really incentivizing them to click into any of these playlists because they don't get to even see what the content is. What you want is to have that experience like Netflix that I showed, where you can see a selection and they can pick the video that's appropriate for them. So the other option they give you is to select a single video. So while that will let you at least have one option, that's not great either, because then what if that person's already seen that video, or what if that topic is not relevant to them? So guys, the way we do this is simple. So first thing you want to do is you want to drag this all the way to the front. And the reason you want to do that is because you want this interface to be here throughout the video. Now, if you have in your video special times you want to call something out, of course that's the exception, so you can use cards there. But if you don't have anything you're particularly calling out, you want to have this from the start. And so the way you do this is you actually add multiple video cards. So you can add up to 5 of these. I'll just pick any card. And then what you do is you actually stack them on top of each other. And then when you do that, YouTube actually tells you not to do that. But believe me guys, this is 100 times better. But YouTube actually supports it. So rather than it just showing one, it actually neatly stacks all of these cards for you in the way I show. So we'll just go through this really quickly. Let's add all these cards for you guys. And just pick 5 at random. But of course you want to pick cards that are relevant to your topic, what the viewer is watching. And there you go guys, you've just created a bingeable playlist. I looked forever how to figure out how to do this. I actually reverse engineered how some people were doing it. I tried all sorts of experiments, and so I just figured this out, and I figured I'm sure someone else has the same question. Now what you can do now is, if you have an extension called TubeBuddy, I'll link it in the description. You can actually create a template out of this. So you can set this video as a cards template, and then for future videos you can actually just apply this template. So it's awesome how YouTube has the template for the end cards, but they still don't have templates for these cards. So TubeBuddy makes that possible. It's such a time saver. It has tons of other features, of course, TubeBuddy, right? You can do keyword research, you can spy on your competitors, you can generate thumbnails, so many different things, but for the sake of what we're talking about here, this is one of the coolest features. Hope you enjoyed that tip. Like and subscribe to the channel if you found that helpful. Drop your comments. I'd love to know what you guys think, what you're working on in your YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, I'll be happy to respond to those as well. And we'll see you in the next one. Take care.